This week, 5 major organizations were breached. Not through zero-day exploits, not through misconfigured firewalls. They were breached through the things they trusted most. A manufacturing partner, an industry report, a phone call, an open-source registry, a patient data obligation. Foxconn lost Apple and Nvidia's infrastructure maps to ransomware. Verizon's new breach report confirmed third-party attacks have doubled in 1 year. A global real estate firm was compromised by a single-voice phishing call. No malware required. 3 open-source package registries were targeted in 1 week. And Medtronic likely paid a ransom to keep 9 million patient records quiet. The perimeter is not the problem. Trust is. Follow the link and read more on our blog.